Something that was really important for our clients was to mix their old furniture pieces with new furniture pieces. So we were really mindful of that. That little reading nook right next to the fireplace, it was a mix of the chair and the ottoman they brought from North Carolina, and then we added the beautiful glass table as well as the floor lamp. A newer elements is this beautiful sectional that we just wanted to make a little bit fun, and adding some tweed fabric in the back of the sectional, and then very cozy velvet in the front. The main goal was to create a facelift without just knocking everything down. For that, we decided to paint the brick in a beautiful white, replace the existing mantle for a new one that we built on site with white oak, and stain with a whitewashed stain. Then behind the TV, we decided to just pop a little bit of color, but at the same time just making it very subtle, and we decided to do this wallpaper. It's just a very simple herringbone matte tan color with black, which it takes a little bit for you to actually realize it's a wallpaper, so this is what makes it really fun. So I'm a little bit unexpected.